WhatsApp is rolling out a huge update. Soon, you won't have to share your phone number with people. Instead, you can share your username like you do on Instagram or Telegram. Anyone who wants to reach you just needs your username and your phone number stays private. Right now, only the username reservation part is live and the complete rollout will happen in few months' time. Let me show you how you can create a username in WhatsApp. Here's how you do it. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Account. Tap Username. Pick a username for yourself. If the username is not taken, you can reserve it for yourself. Right now, only the username reservation part is live and the complete rollout will happen in few months' time. Now, you might be wondering, what if my username gets passed around and random people start messaging? WhatsApp has a fix for that too. You can choose who is allowed to contact you by username. Keep it set to everyone or switch it to people who know my key. If you pick the key option, you will get a 4-digit code and anyone messaging you for the first time needs to enter that key along with your username. You can change this key anytime and share the new one only with people you actually want reaching out. And if you switch back to everyone, the key gets deleted automatically. If you are not happy with your username or just want a fresh start, you can change it anytime. And if you don't want a username, you can delete it altogether. People can still reach you using your phone number like before. That's the whole process. So reserve your username on WhatsApp before somebody else takes it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.